All right, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, my name is Darius Lanchauskas, and I'm the global market analyst here at Markets.com. So, look, I just wanted to share with you something that probably you don't look at very often, and that's cotton and the cotton futures, basically. Look, those have been on a decline for quite a while now. And looking at this chart, you can see that, yes, it has been drifting lower. I mean, it peaked back here in May of 2022. But since then, yes, for about like 3 years now, it has been on a just on a gradual decline, and it just cannot find. It seems like it cannot find some, um, how to say it, like some floor, some sort of like some good support from which it can rebound. However, up until recently, up until the beginning of March, where we saw this little quick drop down and then a quick recovery back up. Now, it broke below this $64.86 mark and then kind of pushed back up again. So if I jump into a weekly chart, you'll see that on this weekly chart, we've created a nice little false breakout in a way. So from the technical perspective, of course, looking at this kind of gives us a little bit of reassurance that hey, there could be a chance for this one to reverse back up. Now, certainly at this point. Look, cotton has been damaged because again, I think that oil. We need to have a look at when we're looking at oil. When we're looking at cotton, we need to look at oil as well because let me just jump into this double chart here. Let me just put oil here. So yeah, we need to look at this one because look, oil has been on a decline, a good decline, and as we know, the biggest competition for cotton, in a way, in the material world, is polyester. Is polyester from which clothes are also made, and that polyester is made of oil. So in a way, when oil drops, it's cheaper to make that polyester, and that's why the goods made from polyester are a little bit more attractive in terms of price. Of course, we're not debating the quality and all that stuff. Of course, cotton things are much, much better. But yes, if like I said, if oil continues to slide, then in a way it becomes difficult for cotton to kind of get some sort of a stable ground here. And looking at this picture here, you can see that in a way, what's the number here? So from around the beginning of or the end of February of last year, we have been seeing this one drifting very heavily to the downside. And looking at the same period here, and oil, you can see that at one point, yeah, we were rallying here on the price of oil was jumping, and but still cotton was kind of picking up pace. I think that the market is still kind of understood that oil is not really destined for going higher. It, on the contrary, it's destined to go lower. And there we go. But it seems like there could be a little bit of a change here, and it seems like at least from the technical side, it seems like maybe, just maybe, something is building up here. So look, what can I say? I'll try to simplify life here, and I will say that if we somehow find support near this kind of $65 mark, maybe a little bit below, maybe a little bit above, if we still find good support, and we start reversing from here, this would be a creation of a nice higher low, and maybe potentially we could go then for a higher high. And if we start clearing this barrier here, the 67.66, well, in a way, I'm kind of leaning towards higher levels, maybe even going all the way towards that 200 zone. So look, for now, I would say this way, that for now I'm loving the action here. I'm loving what I'm seeing, and I'm not, but you see, you have to be very careful with this one because, again, if oil starts collapsing, and in a way, I am a little bit more on the bearish side with oil. So if oil starts falling off the cliff, then maybe we're not really going to get here a lower low. Maybe actually once again it's going to go for a higher low, where maybe once again it's going to go for a lower low. So that's what I'm saying. That's why at this point it's quite interesting. Of course, we're also monitoring oil, and cotton is the one that is attracting me right now. However, I would say you need to be very careful because, again, maybe we have not seen the bottom yet, but that's what I'm saying. That's why I wanted to throw this analysis right now, so that you, if you're interested in this, so that you could monitor yourselves. And hey, maybe this could present itself with a nice opportunity. For me, I'm going to get a little bit more bullish with this one. If we start pushing above the 67.66 zone, and we clear, let's say, the 100-day EMA, then yes, my next target is the 200-day EMA here, and I'm talking about the daily charts. So, and then we'll go from there. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope this helps. I just wanted to quickly drop this little piece here. Look, again, another thing, actually, I forgot almost. I almost slipped on my head, out of my head. Look, in a way, another kind of supporter of cotton to go higher is the fact that the US dollar is on the lower side. Now, if we look at the top producers of cotton, then we'll know that it's Brazil and it's the US. So US is kind of currently, as I understood, in the second place, the top producer. So in a way, look, it's cheaper right now for everybody to buy US cotton, and and that's why, like, although polyester is attractive in terms of price, but still undeniably cotton goods, cotton shirts and t-shirts and everything, clothing, are quite good, and probably preferred by majority of the people. So that's why, if the cotton products are getting, let's say, on the cheaper side and they're more affordable, yes, polyester is cheaper, but hey, maybe, like I said, maybe this is where people could say, you know what, I'm okay paying a little bit more for getting, like, getting a good product. And this is the argument in favor of this chart, for example, pushing back up. I'm talking about the cotton chart. So, and this is where we could maybe even ignore the falling oil prices. But again, we should not in general ignore anything. We should keep an eye on everything. But I just wanted to, like I said, share this with you. Let's see how this is going to play out if the US dollar continues to slide. And like I said, today we have the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. You can check out the previous video that I did today on that, on USDCHF. So hey, like I said, I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? Just out of curiosity, let's see what people think about this. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. I just wanted to share with you this one. As always, stay safe. Have your stop losses in place. Risk only what you can afford to lose. Don't overtrade, and everything will be fine. I'll see you later. Bye bye.